Hey guys, welcome back to our another video. This video is not only teach you how to install WordPress on Cpanel, and also I will teach you how to add on domain and install the SSL certificate, which is really important when you install new WordPress. Let me show you. When you click on install, there is an option that you have to choose the SSL certificate HTTPS, where if you don't have yet SSL certificate, your website installing will proceed well successful, but SSL certificate you have to install it before installing WordPress. Okay, so let me go through step by step. So let me here show you what I mean there. You can see here choose installation URL, which is we have to choose HTTPS column / or HTTPS column www dot. You can choose both. Do not use HTTP. This by choosing HTTP, your website will not be secure by SSL. When you choose here HTTPS, you will see some error message here, SSL not installed or any warning. So you have to go through step by step. Before you have to add your domain. If you have already added your domain, you can skip this part. But if you want to learn from the beginning how to add domain, install SSL certificate on it, this is pretty easy. For that you may have a Cpanel or direct panel. The process is very similar. You have to do is you have to create new domain. Click on create new domain. You have to enter your domain name. Do not add www. You have to direct enter your domain. Let me here pick my any domain here. Let me choose my domain name here. Okay, I'm gonna add this domain. Okay, I paste my domain. I will not share the root with this domain. Okay, so let me click submit. Once I add this domain, next step we have to install SSL certificate on this domain. Let me remind you, we have just add this domain. We have just add this domain SEO tools.online. Now let's go to back to Cpanel. Here you will find out SSL option. Depends on your hosting provider. Mostly hosting provider, they provide you free SSL certificates. You can find SSL certificate option in the security, and you have to choose SSL certificate or SSL TLS status. Your option may be different, depends on your hosting provider, but you will definitely find SSL option. Let me click on this SSL. Once you click on SSL status, this will give you all information about which website has already installed SSL certificate. Some website has already installed SSL, you will see in the green, and some website does not have SSL certificate. So what you have to do is you have to choose your domain from here, SEOtools.online and www.seotools.online. I have already choose it, and I will click on run auto SSL. This will take some time and it will auto add SSL on your those domain. Another thing here, you can do more thing. You can contact to hosting provider. You have to provide your domain name to them. They are one who help you install SSL certificate on your panel. So let's go to next step for the WordPress installation start. We will go scroll down here. We will find software option. let me click on WordPress manager here. Let me open into new tab. I have opened WordPress management. Okay, so here I have already installed two WordPress here. So your dashboard, your panel will be similar, look like this. You have to choose click on install here. When you click on install, you will see some options like that. As I already explained, you have to choose HTTPS. Okay, and your domain name, you have to choose that domain name here. You want to install WordPress. As I have just add SEO tools.online. When I select it, okay, when I select it, you will not see, if you did not see any warning, it means SSL certificate already installed. Okay, here in the version of WordPress, you have to choose it latest, or you can leave it default. It already auto select the latest one. Next option, site setting. You have to provide your site name. My site name here, SEO tools. Okay, you have to provide the description. You can provide the description right way, or you can do it later on. You can leave it default, it's optional. Okay, now in the right side we have admin account. The admin username, you have to provide the username when you next time when you go to WordPress WP-login section, you have to provide this username there, and as well the password you have to provide. So I will recommend to choose strong password here. This is really important. This will really help you avoiding hacking your WordPress or login access. You have to choose the name and password here. Okay, I will recommend you choose the password 25 plus here, you can see. And the admin email auto selected as admin at SEO tool, you can choose, you can change it. If you have already the email, admin email, you have to provide that admin email. In next video I will teach you how to get free business email as well with that with same domain. Okay, let's go scroll down. Here is some options here. Enable multi-site. This feature will enable multi-site option on your WordPress blog. Your server must support Apache mode. Rewrite to use this feature. Okay, mostly people not use this option. This option is about multi-site, means if you want to create multiple site on same domain, multiple like your USA or your Canada website different, or language is different, you have to choose enable this option. Mostly the news website choose these options. Okay, and next option we have disable WordPress cron. If you select, WordPress cron will be disabled and cron job will be added in your control panel execute twice an hour. So I will not recommend to click this. Okay, next you have to choose language English. Some of the important plugin which is really important here, the section, you have to choose the plugin. Let me choose here some good plugin here. I will choose backups, improve page speed. This will really help you in the speed. Limit login attempts. If choose this option, limit login attempts, if your website has login and sign up option, so this will this is the extra layer of security. If some bots or other people try to get access from your website, try to log in, they only can try 3 times 4 times, otherwise their access will be no longer available. So next we have file manager. If you already know how to access the file section in the cpanel, you will see file manager. This option is similar, so I will not recommend because you have already this option in your cpanel. Okay, choose classic editor if you need, if you expert in editing the front page, or this will help you in editing the layout, the basic, the simple classic editor. Okay, so let's go to advanced option here. In the advanced option, you can leave it default. Okay, some option here important, let me show you. Auto upgrade WordPress plugin, auto upgrade WordPress themes. This will help you if your plugins or your theme has latest version. This will help you to auto upgrade it. Okay, and next option, backup option, which you can choose where you want. I will recommend to choose default, and you can choose how you want backup. Like if your website running and you select here once a day, once a week. Once a week backup means if your website has some issue within the week, you have a 1 week backup there. And next option, we have to choose the theme. For example, that's depend on you. If you want to choose the theme later on, you can leave this option. If you want to choose any good theme, you have to click this show all themes. In the show all themes, you have to click on the all option here. You have to choose first which type of website you want to build with the WordPress. You can choose some options from here. If for example, if you have blog, or if you have e-commerce, you have to choose e-commerce. This will give you some e-commerce themes. Portfolio, blog, let me choose blog. In the blog section, we have three themes. You can choose any. We choose any, click select theme. Okay, now we have choose the theme. You can leave this theme option. If you want to upload the theme later on, you can leave it. Click on install. Now our WordPress start installing. It will take 1 to 2 minutes maximum, but mostly it takes 30 to 40 seconds. Mostly you have to wait. Most important, do not refresh this page. You have to wait till it finish 100% like that. You can see our WordPress successfully installed. Now next section, next important here, administrative URL. This is the URL for the admin. You will always log in with this link. You can do is right click, copy link address. You can save it anywhere in the docs, important docs, or you can open Google Docs. You have to save this URL. Okay, so later on, if you need to log in your website from other computer, you must have this login, this URL. Okay, with this URL you have to provide that username and password, which I just teach you to choose a strong password. That username and password you will use here with this link. Okay, now your WordPress successfully installed. Next section, let me click on return to WordPress management. So this is the WordPress management section here. Some of the important setting here, let me show you. You have to check this option, search engine visibility. You have to keep it enabled. Okay, auto upgrade WordPress plugin we just enable when we install the WordPress. Okay, and another important here, in the website URL, you must have HTTPS, not HTTP only. You have to look for it, HTTPS, which is secure website URL. Okay, so your website successfully WordPress successfully installed. Now you can simply log in by click login option here, and you can open in new tab. So your WordPress admin page will be open automatically. Do not need any login. Enter your username or password. If you log in from here in the WordPress management section, if you click this login, it will auto login you in the admin section. So I hope you like this video. In next video I will bring more nice videos, so please subscribe, like and share my videos. I really appreciate you guys, really help me a lot in my channel. Thank you so much.